Hi guys, good evening, and thank you all for coming on this another opportunity call. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shireen Lalu, and I'm all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. So what I'm about to show you guys is an opportunity that I and many others have gotten themselves involved with, and they are making money from the comfort of their home as well as investing, and they are seeing this working, right? So this platform is called Shoabank. And Shoabank looking to the future and financial independence, right? So Shoabank employs more than 1,000 qualified employees, okay, to provide the highest level of customer service, okay? So our bank founder is Mr. Shao. We also have the director, we have deputy director, and the list goes on, right? You can find us on LinkedIn, we're on YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We are there, right? Okay, so Shoabank is a universal technology-driven bank focused on serving customers around the world, right? So what is Shoabank? Shoabank is a bank classed as a neobank. It is simply put as a bank that exists entirely online. It's a digital or virtual bank, right? So Shoabank took formation in August 2022, right? And our vision is to be a bank of high reputation and have world-class customer service. The bank mission is to provide exceptional value to our partners and customers. And what do we value? We value excellence, professionalism, and efficiency development of new technologies. Okay, so Shoabank was purposefully created to operate in any economic environment. We are also a member of the Association of Banks in Hong Kong and a member of the compulsory deposit insurance system. Okay, so we're going to look at their legal framework. So all of this can be found on their website. So the website is there for all of us to go through and make your decision accordingly, right? So underneath documentation, you're going to find the legal status of the bank, right? So Shoabank operates within the legal framework, right? So we have they are registered in Hong Kong, so we have the certificate number here. We also have the United Kingdom where they also registered, and we have the legal entity identifier number. All right, so we also have the various certificate of incorporation as well, as you can see here on their website. Right, so you go to their website, shoabank.com, underneath documentation, you're going to find it. We also have here their insurance certificate with Go Insurance. Okay, so all of this are here, and they are right. So okay, so Shoabank is also part of the Global Future Enterprise Group Cooperation ecosystem with a history dating back to 2006 and financial partners since 1988, right? So within the group, right, so we have the companies here. All right, so Global Future Enterprise Group is a corporation that controls companies in the banking, insurance, and investment industry. They also have financial partners. That's an investment company, Universal Centuries, and advertising agency, Go Insurance, the insurance company, and Beijing Global Future Technology and Quality. This is a technology development company, right? So we're going to look at their roadmap. So where they have started and where they are heading, right? So underneath, all of this is on their website, right? So underneath shoabank.com, you're going to see here who we are. So we have here, previously we would have been in documentation, right? So we are in roadmap here. So underneath roadmap, you're going to go straight down, scroll down. You're going to see here previous time, all right? So you're going to see here where they have started in August 2022, where they have met their legal status in terms of operations. We also have here when they started operations from September 2022, right? So we have come a long way, right? So we have completed 2022 and also 2023, and we are in 2024, right? So they have their plans, and their plans are until, as you can see here, until 2031, right? So they are here for a long time, as you can see here, to come, and their plans here for the upcoming future, right? Okay, so they plan to be one of the top three technology leaders in Hong Kong in terms of their banking, right? In terms of financial. Okay, so, right, so we're going to look at here their financial report for 2023, right? So we're going to open their financial report, and in it has their plans for this year, right? And a lot of things. So underneath banking, underneath insurance, you have banking. Underneath banking, you have their financial statements. So we're going to download their financial reports here, as you can see here. I'm on the side here. And right, so it's financial report for 2023, Shao Global Future Limited, right? So we have here what they have accomplished in 2023. As you can see here, they have more than 2,000 employees. Currently, they have over 190,000 plus bondholder base, over 17,500 issued credits, meaning loans that they have issued, fixed deposits, over 14,500 that they have accepted. They also have their wealth of priority relationship valuing quoted in Hong Kong dollars, right? And the active bank customer base is over 480,500 plus people, right? They have debit card holders as well, over 318,250 plus people, right? So you can see here a snapshot of their financial performance for 2023 here, quoted in Hong Kong dollars. Their total net revenue is 1.85 billion Hong Kong dollars for 2023 here, right? So as we go down here, all of this are on their website. So each one of us or each one of you all can go through it, make your decision, right? And look and see, right? So they have the performance ratios for each of the quarter of quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4, right here. We also have here the income analysis for each of the segments, meaning each quarter as well and each of the entity within the Shoabank enterprise, right? As you can see here, right? So the bank business profile is there, their vision as well and the mission, what they offer as well here, right? We're going to look at these shortly, right? We have here this with Mr. Yang Shao. He is the bank founder, and this is his message to the stakeholders, right? We also have here the many firsts in 2023. So in 2023, they had the UK branch opening, we had the asset insurance and Go Insurance, we had the bank agent vacancy opening. We also had added credit rating to the accounts. This is, you can find this on your digital banking. Okay, we're going to look at that shortly. We also had the Shoabank Anniversary Summit. We also had the release of 6 new bond series and opening 3 Shoabank branches, right? So what are our plans for 2024? So currently, their plans are to launch the apps, launch on Google Play and on the App Store. They also have plans to install crypto ATMs in branches as well. We also have plans to issue mass loans to active clients, financing new enterprises. New bond issue will also be taking place and also hosting offline client conferences. So far we had new bond issue this year. We also had hosting offline client conference that took place recently. This is in Africa, South Africa, and was a major success, right? With over 300 plus people turn up for that event in South Africa, right? So we also have here the bank vision for 2024 here, right? So as you can see here, the achievements for 2024, they want to have more than 4,000 plus employees. They want to grow their bondholder base to over 500,000 plus, right? And they also want to have their net total income to be over 825%, right? So as you can see here, this is what their financial report for 2023, together with their aspirations for 2024 is here as well too, right? Okay, so these key positions of these persons, Mr. Yang Shao, he's the bank founder, Ms. Rong Tang, she's chief bond expert, and Mr. Kai Tang, chief legal counsel, right? So these three persons are the forefront, or I should say the leadership of Shoabank, right? So we also have highlights here that they have, okay, promoting studying in Hong Kong, right? And all these different ESG initiatives, right? So all of this are on their website, and they also have recognitions that took place in 2023, right? So Shoabank was ranked in the top 5 most promising fintech companies in the world, right? They were listed as in one of the top 5. Also, they had obtained the authorization for banking and securities trading in the United Kingdom. So these are some major recognition that took place. They also had the bank's 100 million leap into the Bitcoin mining innovation as well in 2023, right? So all, as I said, all of this is on their website for each one of us to go through and take a look at it, right? So as you can see, they are transparent, right? So what does Shoabank offer? We offer bonds, we offer deposit, we offer loans, we offer insurance, we also have the token system, and there's also the advantageous referral program, and there's also the marketplace with cash prices as well, right? So how does Shoabank operate, right? For anyone to come onto Shoabank, it is I should say a referral-based program. So you must have a referral link to join our platform or join Shoabank, right? So when any person signs up through the referral link, automatically their account is credited with 999 tokens in their account. It's free. The registration process is free as well, too, right? So this is on the account, right? So I'm going to open my account here, and you're gonna see here what I'm speaking about, right? So I'm going to log into my account, right? So I'm going to shake you guys and show you guys what Shoabank has, right? So this is my account here, right? So currently we have bonds, and they are our FP series bonds are limited in terms of purchasing. It's going to be up until the 31st of March, as you can see here. And we have daily returns from 0.5% to 2% on these FP series bonds. So come April 1st, these bonds are no longer going to be up for purchase. Okay, so you want to capitalize on these, right? And after that date, we're going to have new bonds coming along, right, on April 1st, right? So we're going to look at the bonds. So before I look at the bonds, sorry. So as I was saying, in 2023, we had the credit rating. As you can see here, I'm going to highlight it here. Credit rating on your account here, after your account is verified and stuff, and your T balance. So I had said your tokens, right? So every new person who signs up is going to receive 999 tokens. This is reflected here underneath account, and you're going to see that on your T balance, right? Your account also has your credit rating here. I'm going to touch on that shortly, right? So your credit rating is there. As you can see here, you have your name, you have when you start up, right? As you can see here, I'm here since August of last year, right? So when you register, you're going to automatically, your account, you have a digital card. It's just like your credit card. Okay, but in some countries, the physical card exists, right? So it exists in Hong Kong, as it's a Hong Kong-based platform, right? So it's a physical card is there, right? But it's not in other countries as yet. So your card has your card number. You also have your expiry date. You also have the CVC code, which is at the back of the card. So if I click on it, you're going to see my CVC code, which I will not do, right? For security purposes, right? So all right, so you have your business network, your link here. This is what I was saying, your referral link. So if someone want to join the platform, you copy this link here and they will sign. You send it to them and they will sign up using your link, right? This is how it works. So we have bonds here. Okay, sorry, before I mention the bonds, your card here, you can go into your security here and you can set up your two-factor authenticator on your account to make your card or your account much more secure, right? Great. So your account here is also shown in Hong Kong dollars. As you can see here, this icon here tells you the equivalent in terms of USDT value, USD, and Euro, and the list goes on in terms of the different cryptocurrencies. So your account is reflected in Hong Kong dollars, which is HKD, and is also reflected in the USDT value. Below it, you see the equivalent USDT reflecting. Okay. So most of us are commonly use the USDT value, right? And you're common with that. Or I should say familiar with it. So we have here bonds. So underneath bonds here, you're going to see various bonds that you can purchase. So the bonds here are limited, as I said earlier on. FP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they are only going to be here up until 31st of March. So with all of these bonds, your returns are on a daily based. All right. So each day you're going to be receiving a dividend in your account. So FP1 and FP2, their maturity is 4 years. FP1, the yield per day is 0.5%. As you can see here, you can pay with HKD balance on your account, or you can also pay here with, right? So I'm going to leave it here. The various cryptocurrency here, as you can see, right? So the commonly one used is the Tata TRC20, which is the equivalent USDT. So as you can see here, it changes, right? So the equivalent USDT, this is the least amount is coming to the platform, is around 51.28 USDT, which you can round it to say 52 USDT. So over the period of the next 4 years, you will be receiving 2,880 HKD. Okay, when you invest 51 or 52 USDT on the platform. So this 51 USDT, which is roughly 400 HKD, right? So you invest 400 HKD, you will get back 2,880 HKD after you get this throughout the 4 years. So every day you will be getting 0.5% per day, which is around 2 HKD in your account every day. All right, and you can withdraw at any point in time. Okay, you don't have to wait until the 4 years up to withdraw, but you have to bear in mind when you're withdrawing, there are also minimum amount in various cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw. So currently the minimum to withdraw is 7 USDT. Right, so this is the minimum that you can withdraw to your crypto wallet. Okay, so the platform also supports various crypto wallets that you can withdraw in, right? Different cryptocurrencies. Okay, we're gonna look at that shortly. So you can purchase any amount of bonds. This is not limited to 10, but 10 is the minimum amount for the FP1, right? Okay, so FP2. The FP2 is 0.6% per day and it's maturing in 4 years' time. As you can see here, how much you will be receiving. So you put out 257 USDT, you'll be getting back 17,280 HKD. You can convert it here, right? You can, right? Okay, so the FP3 and the FP4, they're maturing in 3 years' time. So the FP3 is 0.7% per day. Right? And you can see here the amount payable, 1,256 1,256 USDT, and you'll be getting back 60,480 HKD, right? In 3 years' time. That's the minimum. But as I said, you can put in more bonds, right? You can purchase more. So the FP4 is 0.9% per day. You'll be getting back 388,800 HKD after the 3 years. Okay, but as I say, every day you will be getting back 0.9% into your account, right? It's a daily dividend payout, right? Each day, as you can see here. All right, so the FP5 and the FP6, they are maturing in 2 years' time. So as the higher you go, you will see here the yield per day is more. And FP5 to FP8, these are good bonds to purchase in terms of you want to get back faster return, right? So FP5 is 1.1% per day. And you can see here how much you will be getting back. You put out 10,256, you'll be getting back 1.1% per day, right? FP6 is 1.3% per day, maturing in 2 years' time, right? FP7 and FP8 is maturing in 1 year time. So FP7 is 1.5% per day, and FP8 is 2% per day, right? So the FP7, the minimum to come in is 51,280 USDT. You want to risk big and you want to come in and earn fast, you can use these bonds here to purchase, right? FP8 as well is 2% per day, right? So all of these bonds here, these are only limited in terms of they will not be in circulation after 31st of March. After 31st of March, the bonds on them that will be coming from the Century, the advertising company, and they will be in lower value in terms of the yield, the daily percentage, right? So with bonds, this is what the bank mainly deal with. We also deal with deposits. Deposits are like fixed deposits, right? So you're going to look at fixed deposits. So you, as the individual, you can choose the terms in which you want to deposit, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, up to 10 years, you can choose. And the minimum to deposit is from 8,000 HKD, and you will be getting back 11.5% per year, right? So you can see here, if you invest 8,000 HKD in a year time, you'll be getting back, you're making 920 HKD in terms of interest, right? And these amounts are payable in your account, will be credited in your account on a monthly basis, right? So you can pay with your account balance and your e-wallet, right? So this is it here with deposits. Just as the bank offer loans to, Shoabank offer loans for any purpose. So we have loans here in 3 different categories: mortgage loan, consumer loan, and business loan, right? So your mortgage loan, you want to purchase any type of property for up to 10 years. The loan amount is from 200,000 HKD, and the loan term is 1 year, and the interest rate is 9%, right? So you fill out your application, so you request a loan, right? So you can choose here mortgage loan or mortgage, consumer, business, right? You select accordingly. You fill out your form, and what the bank looks at is your credit rating. Just as when you would go to take out a loan in a traditional bank, they would look at your credit rating. You'll also look at your income as well as what you invested in the platform in terms of what bonds you purchase, as well as your deposits in the platform as well, right? So they will take that into consideration and they will get back to you they say here, manager will contact you within 15 minutes of submitting the form, and they will inform you of their decision, right? So this is with mortgage loan. Consumer loan, you want to travel, you want money for any purposes: medical treatment, education, travel without an expense report. Your loan amount is for 8,000 HKD for 1 year. The interest rate is 16.5%. So same criteria, you fill out your form, and as you can see here, it's already preset, right? And you just continue next, right? We also have business loan. So you want to start up your own business? Yes, Shoabank is here to help you. All right, so the loan amount is from 1 million HKD for 1 year, interest rate 14.5%, right? So as you can see here, you just fill out your form and the bank will get back to you, right? So what does Shoabank also offer? We also offer, there is the marketplace, right? And there's also the referral base as well, in terms of you want to see your business grow in terms of your networking aspect of the bank, right? Shoabank is here as well, right? So you can use this avenue and build your career as well in the networking side of the business. So you can build your career and you can receive tokens. So you see Shoabank working for you, you refer it to your friends, your family, co-workers. Okay, they sign up and they in turn, the chain reaction and it goes along the line, right? So it works for them, it would also work for the others, right? And by you showing that Shoabank is working for you. The bank offers, they say, okay, you refer a friend, they become an active customer, Shoabank will reward you, right? So there's also the reward system in place, and the reward system is on a 10 level reward system where you would receive instant HKD in your account and also token deposits in your account, right? So this is a loyalty program. It's available to all those, ambitious marketers out there, right? So the level is from level 1 to level 10, right? So level 1 is open to all. So the first level is 7%, right? So 7%, this is how it works. And you use from level 2 to level 10, you use your tokens to level up, or you purchase on these levels where you can receive rewards as well, right? So how does this work? So for instance, I give you guys an example, right? Say I refer A to the platform. I refer A to Shoabank. A purchase on bonds. I would receive 7% of what A purchased, right? Now A refers it to B. B purchases on bonds. A would receive 7% of what B purchased, and I would receive 3% of what B purchased, right? So this is how it works. And as you go higher up, you'll see here the percentages decreases as well, right? Okay, so you can use this, and you also get values, and you also get tokens as well. So tokens are earned, right? You don't purchase on tokens. You earn tokens. Tokens are earned through the networking aspect of Shoabank, and also the bank. From time to time, the bank has contests that's open to all active bondholders. So when we participate and we meet the criteria for the contest, and we do the simple tasks as they will have, they will reward us with tokens in our account, right? But we need to be an active bondholder. So you can use your tokens and you can level up, and you can also use your tokens and buy cash rewards, right? On your marketplace. So I'm going to show you guys how you use your tokens on your marketplace now, right? So you can accumulate your tokens and you could buy reward cases, right? So there are reward cases here. So on your marketplace here on your account, as you can see here, marketplace, you have cases, right? So you have from the common case all the way up to the immortal case, right? So when I was mentioning about the leveling up, you see here on your marketplace, you have referral level. So the referral level is open to all. It is not a price attached to it. As you can see, 0T means 0 tokens, right? And you can see that this. All right, so from when you go level 2 to level 10, you would have to use tokens, values to buy in on it, right? So I had purchased just on level 2 and level 3 thus far, right? So first of all, you have your common keys. How does this work? You have your tokens. As you can see here, your T balance here refers to tokens. So currently my token is 3,003 something, right? So I can use my token here because the price here is 1,000 token for the common case, where I can win anywhere from 4 to 40 HKD. So you're using your tokens here to redeem back for cash prices, and this amount goes instantly to your account, right? The rare case is from 100,000 tokens, where you can get from 800 to 2,400 HKD. The mystical is 200,000 tokens, where you can get anywhere from 2,400 to 4,800 HKD. The legendary is 500,000 tokens, and you can get anywhere from 6,000 to 12,000 HKD. And the immortal case is from 1 million token, where you can get from 12,000 to 36,000 HKD value in your account, right? So I'm going to show you guys how this works. So you can see here my token here is 3,344. Currently, my account balance, as you can see here, is 492 HKD. So I'm going to purchase on this common case, and you're going to see here where my token balance is going to reduce and my current balance here is going to increase by anywhere from 4 to 40 HKD, right? So I'm going to click on buy case. So this message pops up, buy common case. So you click on buy case. So you see, yeah, buy case. So I win 25 HKD. So this is how it comes up. Congratulations. So I'm going to close this here, and you see it went down from the 3 to 2, and the current balance went up, as you can see, right? But had 400 and something, and it's now 570. As you can see here, there's also in 24 hours time, you can come back and purchase on another case from the common case here, right? So this is how you use your tokens in your marketplace, right? Okay, so you use it to cashback or you use it to level up for the referral program, right? Right. So you may be asking, guys, why should you choose Shoabank, right? First of all, Shoabank is innovative, right? They focus on making you the customer your experience as seamless as possible, right? They're so innovative in terms of, previously they had a dragon case to purchase on. That was when they had the New Year, the Chinese New Year, right? So they had that up for like almost 2 weeks. So we could have used that and purchased, right? They're very innovative. From time to time, you can see when you're on the platform, you can see how they have been innovative and the experience is great, right? They have opportunities, right, for the well-being of you, the customers, as profitable investment through investing. There's also the credit side, meaning loans, and also the personal for your personal business as well too, right? Shoabank, you can access Shoabank anywhere in the world. It's not limited to one sphere of the world or one geographic location. As long as you have a smart device, as long as you have internet connection, you can access Shoabank anywhere in the world, right? It is a convenient way to purchase. You can open a deposit, you can set up your business, and all of these things can be done through your digital banking, right? Okay, so with Shoabank, it is easy to earn a steady income. You can save for your retirement and you can secure a decent future, right? So just to recap, we have the deposit money at 11.5% per annum, right? And you can use this and watch your savings grow as well. You can buy bonds and you can receive your payments on a daily basis, right? And the bond agreement does not change. You also have your bond certificate as well too, right? It does not change in terms of when our bonds, right? When our bonds have expired, meaning when we no longer purchasing on the bonds, so the interest rate doesn't change, right? So we will still be continuing to receive funds in our account, our daily amount. So far, we had bonds that would have be no longer in circulation, and we still continue to receive our payments on a weekly basis. That's previously, right? And we still continue to receive those. Some of them would have been for a year, right? Some of them would have been for 10 years, and we still continue to receive our payment because it is fixed. It doesn't change, right? Throughout the entire term. Okay, so you can earn with minimal participation. You can build your business network. You can receive bonus token and cash up to 20% of your partner bond purchase, right? So we're gonna look at something here shortly on your account as well, right? So you have here transactions in your account. You can watch, you can track your right? So let's go here underneath bonds. So underneath bond here, you have your bond history, right? So I have a couple bonds here that has been working for me, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 5, 6 bonds, right? And you can see here with the FP1 bond, which is the minimum, which is the lowest to come in with, right? So that is 4 years, and you can see here the dividends, and you can see here the timer, or I should say here the countdown, right? Up to when it's maturing. You will still see here previous bonds that would have purchased previously, right? And you still see here the timer as well, or the maturity. Okay, so you have here your bond agreement. The bond agreement is this document, the download agreement, as you can see here. And this here, the first one here is download certificate. So you have here your bond certificate as well, right? For each of the bonds that you purchase on, right? So you can track it. You can even track your transactions as well. So you have support here as well on your site. So support here is 24/7. You can open a new, it's like a ticketing system where you would list your concerns or what is right? So you open your ticket and you can list it. You also have your instructions in different forms of videos here, how to fund your account, how to top up, how to withdraw, all of these here as well, right? How to transfer funds as well, right? So as I was saying earlier, with withdrawing, right? So you have your refill balance here, you have withdrawn, you have transfer. So you can transfer from one account, meaning your account, to an existing Shoabank, right? So this here, so you have here the card number, right? And you can transfer from your account to the account instantly, and there's no commission charge, right? So you can withdraw, as I was saying here, in different cryptocurrency, right, on your crypto wallet. So as you can see here, the various cryptocurrency that are available: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, ERC20, Tether TRC, and the list goes on, right? As you can see here how this platform is. It's very user friendly and it's not difficult to work with, right? So as you can see here, the minimum to withdraw, as I was saying, is the 7 USDT 50 HKD, which is around, right? So this is the amount here that was sent. You put your wallet address here, right? And you have here your account status, you have your history, right? All these things here for you to track as well, right? So, right? So guys, this has brought me to my end of my presentation today, right? So you want to get on board, you have a friend, you have someone interested, you don't want to wait longer. As you can see here, the FP bond series are limited in terms of purchasing, right? It is limited in terms of purchasing. So you want to come in early, you want to get on board, you can reach out to the person who invited you on the call. They will be glad to send their referral link and you can sign up and they can get you on board. All of our correspondence take place on Telegram, so they will add you on to the Telegram groups and you can ask any questions, right? Okay, so guys, thank you all for coming this afternoon and look forward for another time again to share with you guys. So do have a great, great evening, right? Thank you all.